and you can make my day. That's it. Let's start right into the video. So first of all, just open Discord as you normally would, and then click on the settings icon down on the top, on the bottom left, and then scroll down to advanced options, and here you need to make sure that you disable this hardware acceleration. Turns on hardware acceleration, which uses your GPU to make Discord smoother. Turn this off if you are experiencing frame drops. So just toggle this off, and then click on OK. And then it will just relaunch Discord, and we can see in settings that on advanced it is turned off. And then if this isn't working, get to the app settings and here on voice and video, and then scroll down to screen share. It's very much on the bottom, and then just hit on or toggle this on. Use our latest technology to capture your screen. Just toggle this on, and then you can also restart Discord shortly, and then it should work. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So, thank you so much for your attention. Really hope this helped you guys. As I already said, you would certainly make my day. If you could leave a like, comment, and subscribe, but wish you a wonderful day. Bye, guys.